Today we are going to explore amazing jobs. Some people help us, some protect us, and some build wonderful things. Let's travel through the town and learn together. A doctor helps people when they feel sick or hurt. Doctors check the body and use tools to make people feel better. This job is kind, careful, and very important. A firefighter helps when there is danger from fire. They wear special clothes and use strong hoses to keep people safe. Firefighters are brave and fast. A teacher helps children learn new things every day. Teachers explain lessons, read books, and help students grow smarter. This job fills classrooms with learning. A police officer helps keep people safe. They guide traffic, protect the city, and help in emergencies. This job is strong, calm, and helpful. Quiz time. Who helps people when they are sick? A doctor or a firefighter? Think for a second. Yes, the doctor helps sick people. An astronaut explores space far above Earth. Astronauts study planets, stars, and the amazing universe. This job is full of adventure and discovery. A chef makes tasty food for people to enjoy. Chefs mix ingredients, cook meals, and prepare dishes with care. This job is creative and delicious. Quiz time again. Who explores space? A teacher or an astronaut? Think carefully. Yes, an astronaut explores space. An artist creates pictures, colors, and beautiful ideas. Artists use imagination to make the world brighter and more fun. This job is full of creativity. An engineer designs and builds important things. Engineers help create buildings, bridges, and useful machines. This job helps shape the world around us. Last quiz. Who builds bridges and machines? An artist or an engineer? Think for a moment. Yes, an engineer builds them. So many jobs help make our world better. Every job is special in its own way. Which job would you like to do one day?